What's good, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey, what's up, love? I'm Kay, and if you've been here before, thank you so much for stopping back by. All right, today I am going to be doing yet another shoe video. I think I showed you guys my entire heel collection at the beginning of the year. Now I'm going to be showing you guys shoes that I've accumulated from Shein, and it's a lot. It's a lot, you guys. Since then I have gotten quite a few new pairs, so I did just want to tell you what I got and link them for you guys. I have been posting a lot more of my outfits on my Instagram, so yeah, a big question that I get all the time are always about my heels. And talking about heels, you guys, that's all I'm showing you. But if you see one of my shoes or something and you're just like, oh, that shoe's like busted, girl, or it's dirty or anything like that, girl, one thing about me, I don't just have shoes to collect or like to just put them up, because they are displayed here in my studio. Girl, I wear heels. Like, I wear heels. Like, I'm one of those people where if I've got an option, I'm going with a heel. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the video. I will have links to every pair in the description box. I don't know whether or not things are sold out, but I'll just put the link there for you in case. So yeah, without any further ado, let's hop straight into the video. So what we're going to do is we're going to kind of talk about the shoes in color coordination, and yeah, that's just the only way my brain works, so that's how we're gonna do it. So I'm going to start off by showing you all of my black heels from Shein, and I'm gonna start off with a very popular pair that I absolutely love. I fucking love this shoe. This is a Perspex Heel, so it has a black base and it's got a pointed tip right over here, and then it's just clear over the top of the foot. And yeah, this is stunning. Everything I have is in a size 38. Size 38 is a size 5 on Shein. So yeah, this is how my shoe looks, you guys. I love this shoe. It goes with everything, with just a pair of jeans, with any black fit, even a white fit. Like, it just goes with everything, and I absolutely just love this pointed heel thing. This pointed tip thing is just perfect. If I've got a picture where I'm wearing these shoes, I'll show you pictures, but I will definitely try them on as well. These are stunning, you guys. I definitely recommend. They are a bit high. This is a pretty high heel, but I just like it that way. I have like one short heel. Yeah, everything else is pretty high. I don't like being like low. I like being pretty like high up. So but I've just got a kink for the back of my foot, you know, the part of your foot that sits here. I just like it when that part is stretched out. I don't know why, it's so weird, because normally when this is stretched out, normally I have a pain down here, like on this part of the foot, but I normally don't care. I just like how arched it is. So yeah, I really like very high heels. So I will link this one down below. I absolutely love this shoe, guys. And then the second pair of shoes that I have are so cute, but I've not worn them yet because I got them in winter and my feet have been cold. So I got these square toe heels, you guys. How cool do they look? They just look so dope. Normally a square toe heel is short, but this one is all the way up my alley, and it's a beautiful like textured leather. It's not just plain. It is stunning. Can't wait to wear this. I don't have a shoe that's this square. I do have shoes that are like almost square, but nothing that's like this square. So I'm interested to see how this is gonna look on my foot, but I absolutely love just the vibe already. I absolutely love this quality of shoe. Holds up very well, and I can see myself at least holding on to shoes like this for another 2 to 3 years, just based off like what I know and how like I treat my shoes. I can see myself keeping them for a while. Okay, so then the next pair of shoes are my first court heels. So when I first got court heels, I decided to just get like 4 colors at once because I knew that I actually did want to wear them. I used to kind of be scared of court heels because the only real court heels that I ever saw were either like the red bottoms or like from Mr. Price, and they looked like chunky and fat on people, and like girls at church used to wear them, and I was just like, ugh, why are your shoes doing that? Yeah, I was nervous to go on Shein, but then I saw all the reviews, and plus I've had so many Shein shoes that I was like, okay, you know what, I can trust these, but I do still need to stretch these out. If you watched my vlog, then you know about the fact that I have a lot of work to do when it comes to all of my court heels. But these are, oh my god, even just putting them on the screen, guys, what do you mean? This is a court heel from Shein, and it's just like a patent leather. It is a killer heel, as you can see. Stunning, stunning, stunning. Beautiful, 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 okay? Beautiful, like stunning. And this is also in a size 5 or a size 38, and yeah, these are good. I have not worn the black pair, I've only worn the nude pair, and I'm going to like have to dedicate a lot of time into breaking these shoes in. They are not comfortable. They are a court heel. Court heels normally are uncomfortable here at the front and then here at the back. Like normally they just kind of rub the back of your foot. So yeah, I have a lot of work to do when it comes to these. I'm excited to have these all broken in and just start wearing these because they are stunning. And then the last black pair of shoes I actually got just for winter. I got a boot. I have not had a boot in a long time. Ever since we were wearing those flat boots that go all the way past your knees, those ugly ones we used to wear in like grade 6. Those ones, yeah, I've been scared of boots because I just don't like the idea of flat boots. So I definitely waited until I could get a high heel boot. I wanted this in nude, but I was scared that I was gonna give very Yeezy 2015, so I just got the black, and it is just laced in the front, but there is a zip on the side, and then it's just a croc detail, which is stunning, and then in the front it's just a pointed toe. So this is what I would wear in a heel, because you can see it's kind of high. It's actually not that high, but it like gives off those like high vibes. And it is pointed toe, which I clearly love, and yeah, it's just a boot version of that. So I like these a lot. I wore these to like a chillers type of thing. I'm one of, like I said, I'm one of those girls. So I wore this to like a bride type of chillers thing. I liked it a lot. I wore them once because we were still in quarantine during winter, so I didn't have a lot of opportunities to style up my stuff, but I still am grateful that I wore these. I might wear them one more time until spring, but I'm lying. It's like, what's the date now? I might not wear these until next year, but I'm still in love with them. Okay, so next up we're going to talk about nude shoes. I only have 2 pairs. I've got one that is new and then one that I think you guys have seen before. I'm trying to see everything else you've seen. Yeah, they're like my basics, so I definitely have had them for a while. I know that nude shoes are kind of the first ones that I ever like bought, so I don't have a lot of new ones in these, but I do have 2 pairs. The first are the nude court heels. Do you see how stunning this shoe is? Do you see this color? Do you see how pretty this color is? Guys, I've got such a thing for nude. Like, I love nude. So yeah, this is a nude court heel from Shein. Guys, it is beautiful, it is stunning, it hurts like a bitch, okay? This is also in a size 5. It's got the pointed toe, but guys, like, the patent leather is just stunning. This is also in a 38, and yeah guys, it's also the same thing as that black one, but I'm going to break these in first because I have so many outfits planned. I've even worn these out. Like, these I know are about to be my Air Force Ones, but my real Air Force One is this pair of Perspex heels. Now these are dirty, like like I said, they're my Air Force Ones, and if you know when an Air Force One gets dirty, these. I don't know how to clean this material. It's made out of like a cork. If you know how to clean cork, please let me know, because obviously they're a nude shoe, so they're light. It's like a pointed toe type shoe, the same thing as that black one. It's just like a cork nude version of it. And I remember wearing this with like a brown dress, and everybody in the comments was like, dog, where's this shoe from? Shein, guys, it's from Shein. So yeah, Love these. I absolutely have no complaints about these. I was actually scared when I first got them because they are like this cork material, but you can hardly see. In fact, the cork actually makes the shoe look so much better. Very, very nice. I definitely recommend this shoe. Okay, so the next color are white shoes. I have 2 new pairs from Shein, but I do actually have another pair of white heels. The only thing is they're from Wholesale 7, so they kind of don't match the theme. I'll probably show them in a vlog or something. I don't know. But anyway, this is my first pair from Shein. It is just like a white leather slide type of thing. I honestly think I like one type of shape of shoe. And style of shoe. But anyway, these are super high, guys, so high. But in the front, I don't know if you can actually tell, but in the front it's got like a quilted type detail, which is super cute for like winter. But obviously because of the fact that it's like a slide, it's perfect for like spring and summer. And from far away you actually can't see these details, so it still looks like it's just a white shoe. I absolutely love this shoe, guys. It's so cute. I can't wait to wear this more in spring. Same everything, same heel height, same size, same everything. I'll also have the link for this one down below. But this is the shoe I was talking about the fact that it's almost a square, but it's not really a square. So this is way like more flattering for more people. I think more people will like this type of shoe like at the front, you know. And then I have another court heel, but I have a white, and I'm so excited for this shoe. Oh bitch, listen. In spring with some jeans and a white shirt, there is probably nothing on earth that excites me more than high heels, honestly. But this is a pair of white court heels, and it is the same as the other two, just a pointed toe, and it's also pretty high actually. This one I'll start breaking in like in September. Yeah, I don't know, I'll see. But I do want to dedicate a long time into like wearing these shoes out so that like they become very comfortable, because I do know that I'm gonna wear these. Okay, so yeah, these are just stunning, guys. Imagine, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I just think they're so ladylike. I just know that I'm gonna rock these, like, and I'm gonna make them look young. Like, I'm not gonna make them look like an old lady shoe. I'm just gonna make them look very classy, very brunch appropriate, you know, the vibes are like, obviously. So yeah, I'm excited for this one, guys, and the link for this will also be down below. And then the last category that we're gonna do are like colorful heels. I have 2 pairs of these from Shein as well. One of them I got quite a long time ago, but I just could not figure out how to style it, and I had other looks in mind anyway. And then that season passed. The other one I just got now. The first one, I'm sure you guys saw. If you watched my vlogmas, you definitely saw this shoe. It's just this yellow slide shoe, you know, the vibes saga, obviously. It's got this yellow, beautiful canary yellow color, and then it's just got the pointed toe, and it's just a slide. But it's different because it's got like this cutout situation over here. And yeah, it's just a very cute shoe. I can see this with like a white t-shirt and ripped jeans, like a skinny jean. And I think this would be so cute just like on a casual brunch day in summer. I think this is nice. So I'm gonna definitely be wearing this one this year. I'm not so scared of color anymore, so I can see myself wearing this. But yeah, it is definitely my vibe. Like, I absolutely love this shoe. It's giving very much Kay. And then last but not least, I have a red court heel. Okay. I'm so hyped. I'm so excited for this heel. It is stunning. Bitch. I don't know what we're gonna do, but I'm glad that we got this shoe, because I do know that I want to be this girl. I want to be somebody who knows what to do with the red court heel. Okay, but we'll figure it out. Follow me on Instagram. You know, I might figure it out tomorrow and post a picture of that outfit. Who knows, you know? But yes, it is this beautiful, it's a nice red because it gives me cherry red vibes. It's not like a dark, intimidating, I can't wear this with shit type of red. This just gives, yeah, it's giving those vibes. I absolutely love this one. Same size, same everything, fit like a dream. Obviously I have to break them in, but yeah, the sizing on Shein is really good. If you are a size 5, get a 38. Don't try anything else, get a 38. And I know a lot of girls are a size 5. So that's it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about sizing or anything like that, please put them in the comments. I will try to answer everybody, but that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed. I absolutely love talking about heels. I can go on and on and on for days, and you guys know I love Shein, so I thought this was the perfect video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you a part of the family. But yes, guys, I am done. I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.